All right. We are live. Full port the open. 10 contracts.
Just send it.
Just send it right away. Okay, real quick. Set this daily loss limit. Let's be not stupid and go 850. Liquidate and block. Save. Lock risk settings. Boom. No one's fucking me over. Besides
Not
myself.
big.
Besides myself. Okay.
I'm posting on my story.
Oh man, I love that pullback we just had real quick here on NQ, but it's too close to the open. I love this 950 area. I do like the short today on YM potentially. But I'm gonna wait until we get a little bit closer, obviously till 10 a.m. But we just had, it kind of depends actually how JP Morgan acts. So back into earnings season, JP Morgan had earnings. So the banks are starting to kick off with some earnings, which is cool. And YM kind of gets influenced by some of these finance names, with what I've noticed. I wonder how much.
I don't really think ES gets that much affected by some of these earnings names. Like, I see the reaction, but I feel like it always just gets kind of just like ate up in whatever direction it was originally going to go.
Yeah. I mean, that's the thing. ES is just so broad, and it's like YM's a little bit more like specific.
Yeah.
So actually asking right now, how much does the Dow get influenced by finance names? Pretty significantly, because it's price weighted structure, meaning share prices like Goldman Sachs have greater impact than the market cap suggests. Interesting. Yeah. So Emily, notice right now YM's kind of selling off and everything else, and pulling back a little bit, but JP Morgan's selling off a little bit right now. It's pushing back towards the lows. So that could be something I'll be interested in a little bit closer to 10 a.m. again to see like how we just digest. And I just want to follow my rules today because I'm like still really fucking tired from competition.
Do you have any news coming out at 10 a.m.?
What up?
Do you have any news coming out at 10 a.m.?
I don't know if we have.
No, nothing. Just new home sales.
Okay, so some data. Yeah. What's good, guys, in the chat? Good morning.
Morning, guys.
Good morning. What happened to Lawrence? Lawrence is still with us. He just doesn't want to stream. So Brian and Lawrence are both coaches for Strong Trading, and Lawrence just doesn't want to stream. So he's just not here. So go DM him and be like, dude, where you at? It's his choice. His body, his choice.
You guys are stuck with me now.
Stuck with Brian and me. Good morning. Good morning. RTY pullback. Drew, what's good? RTY pullback into 2650s prior double topping highs near VWAP is my main watch. Let's check it out. Let's check it out, my friend. Okay. Into 20, what'd you say? 2650s? Okay, so here into VWAP. What are we watching here? Ooh, like this. I like this. Okay, I see what you mean.
That is a nice area of support.
Like that. That's good. Decent. Where is VWAP though? It's already into VWAP right now. Interesting. Definitely give it some time on this, I would say. It's just really tough here near the open because I hate this pattern. It just, and then this kind of just sucks. But I could see that. I like the structure. I like working with. Dude, RTY, like I'm just super bullish on overall. Look at this shit, bro. Like this shit came down into here into 2500 retest, just overshot this barely, retested structure, and now it's just off to the races. Thing is fucking strong.
Bro, RTY doesn't slow down for anything.
Yeah, well, it did forever. Like it was so dog shit for so many years. But look at this is a multi-year breakout in the works, right? If we want to even take this way back here, all the way across, right? As long as we keep staying above 2600 for anything, this thing big picture wants to break out, I think. So
it's already breaking out.
Yeah, I know.
Is there anything to the left of that, or are these all-time highs?
No, this is all-time. And look at this is from 2021. So this is the daily chart. So this is all-time highs. We are in all-time highs. So that's why I'm pretty bullish on RTY this year. I think it's a good name to work with.
RTY looks good. That looks real good.
Yeah. So Drew, I don't blame you for that. I'll keep an eye on this with you and see maybe if you can muster something up. So I like this 2650, and then also if we get down below here, I have some volume point of control just below, like in these 40s, like right below it, 38s, let's call it. So I'll put a level here as well to see if this gets tested. Roughly something like this, right? This is near-term VPOC.
That kind of looks like a ES. The way RTY is setting up right now, it's exactly how ES looks.
Yeah, similar. I mean, they all kind of look similar. Near-term VPOC. So we'll see if this can get down here, Drew. This will even be a better buy, I think. But, dude, see this JP Morgan trend with YM. Look at this, weak. JP Morgan's kind of weak. This is kind of weak. So I do like this potentially for the short.
Short on break a low the lows.
Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna wait. I'm waiting my full 20 minutes today. I'm following my rules, so we'll see what happens after 20 minutes. But like, JP Morgan is weak, therefore, again, this thesis of maybe this will tip over with it. Love to see. It's really hard trading all-time highs up here, dude, with everything. So it's like, I mean, this YM.
Yeah. This is where like that grindy action starts to come.
I know, and I fucking suck at this grindy. Like the grindy. Dude, throw me in the fire of the fucking volatility, the pullbacks. I will smoke that shit. But the grindy action of just like, oh, we're just like, up, just grindy. I'm not good at it. It's not my thing. So,
bro, in this market, it's like you almost just have to just place a stop loss, place a order, no stop loss, and just go away.
Really?
Just place your order, just go away.
Yeah,
so
exactly.
It doesn't matter how deep the pullbacks are. Like right now, I'm almost like staying away from any shorts. I'm just looking for support. Like on ES, either we support 7,013, and if we fail that, I still wouldn't take a short. I would wait for a support at 7,000 psychological level, and then if we break that, I'll consider a short.
Yeah, I see what you mean. I back
but
that.
I feel like
everything that's going to help ES in the short is if YM's weak. So this could give some fuel. ES also is SPY's rejecting prior day high right now, but we're still above VWAP. So it's too early for me to make any informed decisions. Drew, here comes your RTY into 50.
I want to see us get out of this range, like that data range from 830. It's on ES, it's from 7,004.5 all the way up to 7,036.25. I don't need us fully out of the range, but if we can break above prior day high, then a long is good, and I'll take it to maybe the top of the range or 7,050.
I like that. It's good that we're rejecting prior day high right now, because if we kind of like on ES, if we kind of like trickle down and then get back above this 24, looks like that could be a good long, just back up towards, it could be like 10 points for back up towards the highs and maybe past that. But
that's pretty much what I'm looking for. I want the rejection now. If we can get a sweep, of 7,013, and then we get back above prior day high, I would get long.
Drew, here's your 50. Here's your 50, bro. Getting a reaction too. Kind of like it. Not gonna lie. Kind of like it, my friend. I'm not gonna lie. Let's see. JP Morgan, new low a day. Therefore, YM, new low a day. Q's got divergence going on. Q's are pushing. Let's see. Yeah, Q's are pushing.
I think it looks good.
YM puking. Interesting. I like this RTY though. Drew's got my eyes on it. This is the good thing about coaching, is when you coach someone so long, they kind of like Drew traded very similar to me, but he's just more not crazy and like insane about like being aggressive with entries. So when he's watching something, he takes an entry, and I'm like, okay, cool, like a double thesis. It's like almost like student becomes the master. I'm like, oh yeah, good idea, Drew. Back to the comments real quick. Congrats on the comp, brother. Thank you, Andrew. Appreciate that. Preston, Lawrence psychology videos are on point. They are. Lawrence crushes it with those videos. J Bull, what's good? Twitter's being gay. Twitter's gay. Looking for breaker retest data highs on Qs. You built a big zone on RTY. Okay, but it's a don't try to short it though. Yeah, I agree. I don't think that you should try to catch a top on this thing, to be honest.
I don't think any shorts are gonna work right now in these conditions.
Yeah. I like, dude. Now I like this. Drew, I'm gonna try this, bro. I'm gonna try it.
Order
Go
filled.
for it.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it. It might be a little too early. I'm just gonna start with one right here. Let's see if we get this close. I like the 50, the overshoot. Let's see it. I got a reaction at the level. That's all we can ask for. The only thing I didn't follow was the exact 20 minutes. I did break that rule, I guess. That's why I'm not going to go heavy here. I'm just going to do one. See if it holds and it can keep going. Because if I'm wrong, then I will just fully wait. But I do like this 50 area, Drew, that you talked about.
It doesn't look too bad though. If it fully engulfs that candle, go back to the other chart.
Yeah, see, I like this, dude. Let's go back to the 2 minute.
Yeah, go back to
Yeah, look at this. Look at this engulfing now. There you go.
If it fully engulfs that right here, that candle
Top
to
of
the
the
left,
low. Yeah.
if it takes out that bearish engulfing candle to the downside, you're pretty much sitting in the driver's seat.
Yeah. See, this looks good. I got a signal bar. And that's what I needed. Come into the level, I need a signal bar. Got the 2 minute bullish engulfing. Keep the stop here at the low, right below it. See if this can work its way out. Work its way back up towards like what, 72s maybe? I don't even know if we'll fully take data highs, but like if I can get up here into like 68s even, I think I'd be content with that.
That would be good.
Kind of want to add one more. I think I'm going to do it. Should I do it or should I wait? I feel like
I would say wait until you're 20 minutes. And if it's working for you after that, just add wherever you're at.
Yeah. I just see this is the hard part about adding is I want to add when my risk is low because my risk is lowest here for sure.
Good position is a good position no matter where you get in.
That's true. Let's see. Let's see. See, I like this. I love the comment stuff. What happened to waiting full 20 minutes? You're right. See, call me out, bro. I get my justification on it. I will just keep the one contract. Thank you. Call me out. I appreciate it. Oh, look at that.
Wasn't a good position. You might be good. You might be good.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
Order filled.
Damn it. Okay. Well, $180. We'll take the loss. Now I'll wait the full time. It was a good little attempt. I got a signal bar. It just puked it. I'm glad I did not add.
Yeah, for sure.
It's okay. It's okay. And watch, maybe that's the actual sweep, and then this holds right here, and I'm gonna be like, "Fuck!" Should have opened it up a little bit more.
This could be the sweep. If this is the sweep, and we get long, and we get back above, I'm getting long.
Let's see. See, I love this little pattern down here. If this can hold as a low. Should have opened up my stop bigger, dude. Just a teeny bit. Not crazy. I had it so tight here.
Nah, I feel like your stop was in a good spot. Because if it's going to go lower, it's going to go lower anyway.
Yeah, I'm just going to wait. It's okay, regardless what happens. We'll just be patient. JP Morgan's puking still.
JP's taking on the whole market with it today. Okay, so
now you enter. I love the double sweeps. Yeah, I know, right? We'll just wait. I'm just gonna wait. It's okay. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna be the battle area. Unfortunately, I won't be able to do have to take some care of some things. Okay, it's okay. It's all good, bro. Dude, Alibaba, bro. Ali
Look
fucking
at that now.
It pulled back overnight, and then we're back near yesterday's high. Actually, we just pinned the 168s.
Man, that thing is ready to send.
Dude,
It's not gonna stop.
I'm ready for it to send. I'm absolutely ready for it to send. Oh man, I love this 3-minute sweep here. If this can hold, bro. See, this is why I like circling through different time frames. Because if this holds, this little pin right here, this is like, God, this is so nice. I really like this, bro. If this holds here. I'm in, bro. I gotta take this. I have to take this. I have to take this.
Order filled.
Call me crazy. I'm going 2 contracts also. We're fucking going for it.
I feel like you're good as long as it holds above VWAP.
Yeah.
Above VWAP, we hold. You're good. Right now, I'm not touching anything. This is like a no-fly zone for me because the only thing I can see on ES is a short. That's the only thing I can see. We break that opening range low, 15-minute opening range low. I would want to get short, but I'm just long biased right now.
I just love this pattern too much, dude. This little subtle teeny sweep here. I just love that. It's really hard for me to not see it because this is like these are like my really good setups. When I have this, it's like boom, 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 and then boom. Like I really, really like that. So,
I mean, that looks good. Just a few. You just need a few buyers to get behind you. And I think it's.
I do need to get some buyers in here.
What are you targeting then?
I'm targeting probably like this liquidity, like 69s up here. Something like that.
That's good. That looks good.
Yeah.
And the 5-minute chart does look good. It looks like it found its support at that level. It just needs continuation.
Dude, see, it's getting fucking rejected though, bro. Oh my god. Day's gonna be over before it started.
No, man, it's not over till it's over.
It's about to be over.
You're good.
Just got shit on by that pullback really aggressively. Let's see if it holds.
Where is data lows on RTY?
Way down here.
Now, I'm not telling you to open up your stop.
I can't. I'm gonna be done. I'm done. Day's over before it started. It's about to be over before it started. Yep, it's done. All right, Brian, you're gonna have to take over. My day's done. Like that, 2 trades.
Order filled.
That's it. That's it. 2 trades. All right, Brian.
That is unfortunate, my friend.
That's unfortunate. Too early. I broke fucking my 20-minute rule and it fucked me. That's why I have the rules. Well, put it on the review list and not fucking break it.
So this is just 15 minutes. Can you see the screen good?
You gotta open
it up.
Yeah.
How about now?
Keep going. Boom. You're
good.
Yep.
All right. Yeah. So pretty much all I'm watching here is this is my hourly level that I got on my Thinkorswim.
Mm-hmm.
So if we're under here, I don't really want to touch it unless we support 7,000. If we can support 7,000, then I'm looking for a long. It's pretty much the data lows. So we'll sweep it, and then I'll take it back higher.
Mm-hmm.
And I'll probably target, this is priority high right here.
Yeah.
Now, that's where I'm targeting. Or a 1-to-1, whichever comes first.
Yeah.
But as of right now, I'm not doing anything until I see some type of continuation longs.
Yeah. Chat, how we doing? Now I'm just gonna chill, I guess, and hang out because I hit my max loss. Is what it is. Let's see.
It's all right.
You must refine your strategy. You emotional. Okay, let's see you come here and trade. Trader Black Boy.
Yeah. How about you put your P&L on the screen?
No, he won't. People love coming on YouTube, watching someone take a loss and be like, dude, you suck at trading. I'm like, yeah, tell that to my $250,000 in profits last year. Tell me I'm a shitty trader, please. It's my favorite.
So this is starting to look good.
Looking better here, yeah.
95. So on the 5-minute chart, this is starting to look good. Like if we can engulf this high right here and get above VWAP, then that's a good long attempt. I'll put my stop loss at the lows. And I'll target the highs.
Let's see. Let us see. King Dad, I don't trade VWAP, but I've been learning it from your streams and ASFX. Definitely is a good strategy, bro. And once you learn it, it's like, you know, you'll see some setups on it, and it's killer. I had that day trade last week where I made 20 grand.
VWAP is I've been realizing like VWAP is a bit hard to incorporate into my system with using levels. Like I can only use it as like
it's just like a reference point for you.
Yeah, reference point. That's the only way I can incorporate it into my system. Because if I try to trade based off of it, I get killed. Like right here, we got, you guys can't see it, but
not the rejection.
I got what 2 levels lined up right here. Opening range low. My hourly level. This does look good for a short.
J Bulls, you said, should I trade an evaluation or go straight to fund? I just want to know your thoughts. Well, if you're comfortable, see, I know you're already good at trading like levels on SPY and stuff like that. So it's like, the thing is, if you're brand new, I always say go to evaluation. Otherwise, it's just like a waste of. It's just like it's not worth the money, I think. But you already have strategy and understanding. As long as you understand futures, like the product itself, like, you know, understanding like how much MES is, like, you know, per point, and like all that type of stuff. If you understand that, you're golden just to go straight to funded, I think, honestly. And if you have, especially if you have good risk management, then yeah, go straight to funded. I'd probably just do straight to funded. But and because you have experience. Like if you didn't have experience, I would say do an evaluation all day. But yeah, kind of my thoughts. Kind of my thoughts there.
So this is a good sweep here.
Yeah, looking a little good. Let's see.
I just feel like price wants to come down and test these data lows.
Yeah, well, the thing is, YM is still really weak.
Because of JP Morgan?
Yeah.
Baby Morgan is freaking killing us all right now.
It is pretty weak. JP Morgan is pretty weak.
See, on ES, we've already taken the data lows. This is MES, but if you look on ES, we pretty much took the data lows on ES now.
Yeah.
Oh, I like how they just put my lines here too.
Damn, dude, JP Morgan is getting fucking beat up here pretty bad. It's down pretty hard.
By 10 o'clock, I'll know if we'll get a good long setup. I might even get it before 10 o'clock. If we can get back over VWAP, any prior high on the 5-minute chart, we break it, I'll take a long because this is a really good sweep. We just need to hold.
Yeah, I don't know. It's tough, dude. We're just so weak across the board.
We are, but I'm not taking a short unless we're under 7,000. Because on the hourly chart, like here, the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, there's just too much support here. Like we tried to break under 7,000 yesterday. We couldn't do it. And then all overnight we supported it. So even though we're getting this pullback here, I still wouldn't take a short unless realistically, what is this? Unless we get under 69, 98, 50. Then I would be comfortable taking a short.
Yeah.
But for right now, it's like you always said, support stays support until it's no longer support.
King Dab. Tanner, do you trade mini or micro? It depends on the name. YM and RTY. I trade minis. Trade micros on NQ usually. All right, Trader Black Boy, you redeemed yourself. Hey T, you good? You have a track record, can be disregarded. You're one of the best out there, but sometimes take losses personal, but you good, bro. You know what? I'll agree to that. I think I take losses personal because when it's like really early in the day. I take losses personal when I break my rules, so I get pissed at myself. I'm just, I don't know, I got emotions, bro. I'm on testosterone, dude. My emotions are going crazy all the time. But
blame it on the test.
Yeah, dude. But blame it on the test, bro. It's the steroids. Yeah, I know you're right. I think I just get frustrated if I break a rule and take losses. I'm like, dude, I know I shouldn't be doing that. That's what pisses me off. It's like me mad at myself, not the market.
Me and Jay Bulls got the same thoughts coming into the day. Like seeing that support on ES at 7,000.
Yeah. Getting a nice little reclaim on RTY here. Looking good. That's what I wanted to see earlier.
This is the sweep, man. I just want that confirmation on the 5 minute at least.
Mm-hmm.
This is the sweep.
This is the sweep. Let's see.
There was a day like this. There was a day like this in October. I feel like I traded the pre-market and I caught the news. We pulled back during the open the same way we did it. And then I had like a 30-point stop because I was trading on the hourly chart. And it did the exact same thing. It pulled all the way back to the data lows.
Yeah.
Then reversed and went higher. Yeah.
Oh, I forgot about all that news with the credit card stuff.
Do you think that's going to affect the banking system? Like
I don't think they're gonna be. I don't know if they're gonna be able to like really push that through, dude. That's the thing. Credit card companies have been siphoning fucking heavy percentages off people forever.
Yeah, but I feel like that'll pretty much like collapse the banking system, because what about all of the people who already have high interest rates and things like that? Are they all gonna get readjusted, or are they pretty much screwed? And then
that's a good question. I think just the credit cards in that scenario, it'd be like the whole student debt like relief fund shit, right?
Yeah,
it's like they're oh cool, they're off the hook.
I don't think they're letting anybody off the hook.
Yeah, I mean,
I'm not putting that past them. But I feel like that's gonna mess up the earnings for these institutions moving forward. So I don't feel like that's something that's gonna pass.
That's true. It would. I'm super impulsive, break rules more than I should. Do review. Like the biggest thing I'm gonna do a review on later today, be like, dude, see the 20-minute, like every time you check a box towards something that like benefits you or doesn't, it just starts to become clear. And you'll repeat stuff over and over, dude. I repeat this 20-minute thing all the fucking time. That's kind of the problem, is like when we come into areas or levels and stuff like that, it's like sometimes it can bounce and like do exactly what I want in those areas, but it is more about like how many times is that happening versus not, right? It's probabilities. And most of the time it benefits me to sit out 20 minutes. And so it's like there are some times when it doesn't. And I make that discretionary decision to break the rule. But big picture, it doesn't really benefit me. And I just got to keep like bashing my head into the wall till I remember that. So
I think that's why data is so important. Because like if you don't take the time to look at your data to see why you're doing this and if it's working or not, you're just going to keep bashing your head up against the wall. And that was kind of me last week until I took those couple of days off, where all I was doing was back testing and looking at my data.
Yep.
And then that's also why today I'm not touching it short unless we're below the psych.
Yeah.
Because I've seen it happen so many times to where it's like we haven't even really gone anywhere on ES. Like,
yeah,
from the open, the highs were like 24.75. You can make money on this move. You can make money on this move to the downside, but realistically, where have gotten us short?
Yeah,
this is on the 15-minute chart. You would have probably gotten short here,
The short off prior day high would have been the best, honestly.
Yeah, but that's not my system. So
I know exactly for sure.
So
I respect you for that.
The only place I could have went short is here or maybe here. Those are the only two places I could have went short. But then risk reward wise, down to 7,000 just doesn't even make sense. I'm not even gonna get the 1-to-1.
Yeah. Here's more of the dump.
Okay, this is looking good.
Here's your long setup.
It's starting to look good on the 5-minute chart. It's starting to look good because we officially swept the data lows on ES. We officially swept it down here. There's a lot of pressure around 7,010. So once we get above 7,010, long setups are pretty much golden. The opening range low is at 7,012. And then we're thin. We're thin all the way back up.
So I'm not against
this is the area to beat right here. If we get this,
JP Morgan new lows here, which is going to push probably YM down, which consequently could push ES down. The NQ is just holding on, trying to.
And NQ is what's giving ES life right now. As long as they keep buying tech, I got faith in ES.
As they literally push tech down right here. They literally push it down as we speak.
Whatever faith you had, get it out of here.
Yeah. Started with options 3 years ago before jumping into futures. How long have you been on options and what broker do you use? I've been trading options since I started trading. Kind of just took a little break when I learned futures for a bit. I've used a bunch of different brokers. I'd say like the fastest execution wise was TradeStation, but they were also the most expensive. And then I realized, I was like, dude, I'm not trading like that many contracts. I can use fucking free commission Thinkorswim shit. Like it's really not that big of a deal, honestly. Unless you're trading like thousands of contracts, I think it's just silly, to be honest. So that's just my opinion. Just use like Thinkorswim or even Robinhood's fine. Robinhood's not good for day trading options. I will definitely say that. Ooh, dumpy.
This thing is dumping.
Oh, Dumpy McDumperson.
Okay.
All right, we're below your 7,000.
Oh yeah. Now I can look for it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Now I have something to do.
Oh yeah.
Well, I'm not gonna take a short right now.
Yeah, I know.
This is the low. But if I can see any type of attempt to get back over 7,000 that fails, I would get short.
Yeah.
And I would get short down to 68.87.
Here's a 900 here. Let's see if this 900 holds. See if the 900 holds.
On what, NQ?
Yeah, I don't think so though. It looks pretty freaking heavy, bro.
I think it's holding.
Pretty freaking heavy. I think JP Morgan might be trying to find a bottom here. Let's see.
If it can't find a bottom, I can see ES going to prior day lows at 69.68. I can see us going all the way down there. Okay, here's the attempt to see if
314-ish on JP Morgan. That's what I'm looking for. So yeah, we could still get some move down here on everything else, I feel like.
Are you gonna take an option today?
I don't know. Maybe. I'm looking at the JP Morgan. If I'm going to, it's gonna be on this because it's the only thing that has volume.
See how thin it is right here?
I
want to see if it makes it see. Look at that. I'm almost tempted to just take a long here.
I don't blame you. Overshoot a 7,000 reclaim.
Yeah, like because of how thin it is. Like if we fail it, then it's like, all right, cool. Just continue short. But that was just a sweep of the level.
I know whenever we have really big pushes like that fast and everyone gets comfortable, they're like it's the chasing. They get the FOMO.
Because realistically, this is where I want to get long. This is exactly where I want to get long.
Yeah.
If we don't hold, then I'll get short. But this is where I want to be long.
Yeah, I don't know. It's still tough here. I don't blame you though. It's not a bad long. I mean, if you do get long here, it's not terrible. I'm not against
I'm
it.
getting long here. If it gives me a feel, just give me the feel. If you want to feel me, yeah, bro. This is the long.
She said.
This is.
Why don't you just get in and market, bro?
Bro, because I like the Dom, bro. I like to see my level.
I know, but you're missing, like, dude, you're missing over like a tick, dude. Like, there's no discrepancy. If you're long and you want to get in long, just fucking get in long.
I know, but it's already gone now. So let's.
I know. Now you gotta wait a second.
It's gonna get me, bro. It's gonna get me, bro. Okay. Now.
Order filled.
There you go. You're in. Okay.
Stop loss. I'm just put my stop loss at the lows, bro.
Yeah, it has to be at the lows.
Yeah. What is this? This is 94. So I'll give it 2 points down to 92. Yeah. About $300 risk. So what? Let me put this back on here so I can manually trail. Let's see, a 1-to-1. 307.50 would be 12. So 1-to-1. Pretty much us getting back to opener range low. That's the setup for today.
Let's see what else we got here.
Take a screenshot. Long at 7,250. Unless the sellers just want to come in and say fuck everybody. This is 425. And this is 92.25.
What are you doing, JP Morgan? Mr. Morgan here. Still pretty weak. Oh no.
It looks weak. It does look weak, but this is where I want to get long. So
no, for sure. I don't blame you.
I'm long here.
Dude, I'm always getting in when it looks weak. I'm always going against like the trend because that's when I catch my bounces and they work.
So like to me, I feel like this is just hysteria. I feel like we once how many points is this? This is only like
it's only about 30. Yeah, it's not crazy.
Yeah, it's only 20 points. It looks bad from a time aspect based on these candles, but from the hourly, it's just a sweep of 7,000.
Yeah,
like it's not that bad. I could always be wrong though, you know.
Definitely could be wrong.
I could always be wrong.
That's part of it. I've been getting always wrong. Okay.
Recently, so
you got to be wrong sometimes. You can be wrong a lot of the time.
It's looking like I'm wrong right now.
I'm just sitting watching and waiting. I just don't want to get myself in trouble.
It looks like I'm in trouble, my friend.
Just don't want to get myself in trouble.
It's so thin. Yeah. Yep.
There goes the Dow.
Yep. No bottom today.
I hate candles like that, dude.
Where it started bullish and just
yeah. The tails, the wicks and the tails, bro. I fucking hate because that's what runs me over so much. is those type of setups.
Man, I feel like the buyers stepped in here. They're gonna keep it, bro.
They might. If we can flip, or we got to flip right now. Honestly, it's like it has to go up right here. If bullishly engulf this 5 minute, that would be your saving grace. Let's see.
There it goes. I'm telling you, this 7,000 is the magnet right now. This is the area it just needs to just come back in. Everyone just starts buying. If we can get any close above 7,000, that's the move.
Not terrible.
No, it's terrible. This looks bad.
No,
this is terrible.
Yeah, now it's I mean, just kind of slowly cruising down. That's the hard part. You know.
I mean, my stop loss is underneath the 10 a.m. hourly candle from yesterday. So it's like it pretty much has to give back everything for me to be wrong. So it's a good invalidation point.
Let's see.
Yeah, I'm cooked.
Yeah, it looks pretty cooked.
Yeah.
Tough action. There's the tails and the wicks, dude. Those are always tough ass days to deal with.
This is a straight down move, which is crazy.
It is, but it isn't. It is, but it isn't. You know, like that's the with the tails and the wicks. It's like it is, but it is not. That's how I look at it.
I feel like yesterday was straight up. Now today's straight down. This is all-time highs action for you.
Yeah.
Come on, I know you want to do it. You want to flip.
I know you want to. I know
they're buying it. They're buying a lot here at 97s.
And they're trying.
At 90, yeah, they're buying a lot here at 97s. But if it fails, this is.
If it holds here, though, it's going to be real nice.
Oh. Yeah, if it holds, it'll be good. But as they're buying it, they're selling it too.
As they're buying it, they're selling it.
They're selling it, man. This is why I like watching the Dom, because like you can like just see how they're fighting.
Happening. Yeah.
Come on, 97s. You know you want to be my support tonight.
Okay. They're trying.
We're gonna get a crazy pullback candle, bro. I'm calling it now.
They're trying to do something.
We're gonna get just a crazy pullback. Even if it doesn't pull back all the way to the opening range low, we'll at least get up here to what is this? 7,008. I'm seeing it. I can see us getting up to 7,008. And what would that mean?
They should bounce it.
Nah. It's a good place to scale out if I did. I can see the shorts. That's the
thing. I mean, it just looks like they're just fighting it downward.
Jay Bulls is in SPY puts.
Okay.
Wow. Jay, I thought we were looking at the market the same, man.
Yeah, what happened, bro?
Oh, yeah, what happened? You just jump ship on me?
He bailed.
He probably did the right thing. I'm probably just being stubborn.
Yeah, I mean, it does look kind of pretty weak, but
like I'm not wrong until I'm wrong. And if I'm wrong, I'll accept it.
Well, NQ is trying to bounce off 900. YM is just brand new low a day.
I feel like we're going to get a new low a day, and then we're going to bounce.
Yeah.
We could always keep going lower, but like how sustainable is this downtrend? Like realistically.
I don't know. See, here's my theory when there's a lot of like wicks like that.
Yeah.
Is like they could grind it down. When I see that sometimes, I'm like, damn, dude, they could totally just grind this down. But bigger picture, we're like sitting at all-time high. Like, you know, it's it's hard to call a top, dude. It's really hard to call a top.
I feel like everybody wants a new low.
Yeah.
Like I feel like just one more low. And that's the issue. Yeah, I'm probably fucked here. Two points is a good amount. It's a good amount of space. If I'm wrong, that full 2 points, it is what it is.
Yeah.
There's nothing I can do.
It's weak. It's weak, bro. This thing's real weak.
Yeah, this thing is gone. I'm out like in 2 seconds. In 2 seconds, it'll just take me.
Real weak, bro.
Just go ahead and take me out, man, because
it is real.
There's nothing that I can do to save you. Unless 97 wants to step in again. Whoever was at 97. Unless you want to step in.
I feel like JP Morgan's going to come into this low here.
Another low?
Well, I feel like it's going to put it in a short-term bottom. I'm watching 314 area on JP Morgan. Let's see.
Come on, just edge me by.
Are we gonna bounce? Are we gonna bounce?
Edge me and head higher. If you can edge a TP, you can edge a stop loss.
Every time,
bro. Like if you can edge a TP, you can edge a stop loss. Like you can pull back.
You sound like a dodgeball. You can dodge a wrench. You can dodge a ball.
Yeah, man. Like. We'll get it, man. It's thin down here. So, like, this is pretty much do or die for me. I mean, it's so thin that, like, oh, no, I'm cooked. I'm cooked.
Yeah.
I'm cooked. 2 ticks? 2 tick edge? 2 tick edge? 2 tick edge? If you want to do it today, if you were going to do it today, I wouldn't be opposed to it.
You have 693 on SPY.
I wouldn't be opposed.
Wow. Okay, here's the JP Morgan potential bottom.
I would not be opposed if today was the day you showed up.
Bounce it all here. Bounce it all right here.
Nope. Nope.
Bounce it all right here. Nope. Bounce it all right here.
Nope.
Bounce it all.
It's not.
Stop filled.
Whatever. Yeah. That's it. One and done. I'm gonna call it. I'll take my loss. That is very unfortunate.
I would not be surprised if they bounce it here.
I wouldn't either. Like, bro, I wouldn't either. It does. It looks weak as shit, but at the same time,
really weak, dude. I'm
is
telling
not
you,
a
bro.
real...
Like all those like the wicks all up. It's a grind down. Really hard.
Oh gosh.
There it goes. You know.
Okay.
There's the
Short
extra move.
7,000 was definitely the play. I was
There's the extra move there.
Yeah. I was premature on that.
J Bowles win a chicken dinner with the shorts.
Yeah, he did the right thing jumping ship.
TP hit 55% winner. Nice. Good work, bro. Good shit.
Great job.
Good job. We did just pull into a level on Qs. Wonder if this holds.
At this point, I'm not expecting anything to hold.
Yeah. We'll have to see. Well, if that was it, that's it. You know, sometimes it's like that. Controlled losses. Brian controlled loss. I traded way too early. I would have taken a loss regardless, probably, because I can just tell by the action. I just know myself. So, is what it is. We'll be back tomorrow. We're going to call it there. So, and then the stream. Thanks for joining, guys. Appreciate you guys showing up, hanging out. Tomorrow will be better. I'll be more patient, I promise. Peace.